Hello guys, today we'll have this, I can't remember the brand. It's in a box. The box is kind of big right now. For digging up box. So I kind of was being an asshole all of a sudden. That as good as we could get. There's some unknown something. Mom got it from off Amazon for Christmas. What the fuck? Phone's being a fag. That's best we could get. Okay. The remote. 6 speeds going night white setting. Wait, is that the wrong button? Yeah, it was. Night white setting. You can't see too much shit on it. Oh. Can't get to go away. What the fuck? I thought those were good, so I didn't know that. Sorry guys, I don't know what's going on. There it goes. And then somehow I think, I don't know how. I don't know what these buttons do. Oh, so you can do it like that too. It's not so much stuff you can do. I don't know what that is. Set up. It says set up. Right here in the middle. I don't know why. Let's be one. Is it reversible? It says reverse, but it doesn't reverse. Wait, hold on. Sorry guys, I haven't seen it reverse yet. I didn't know it did. Yeah, okay, it does. Okay, interesting. I'm sorry guys. I didn't know that, so now we can get on with the actual video. So that is on low. The fuck? Then that's on low. Fuck's sake. And yes, you notice it's not on the regular testing spot. I put it straight on display because I want it on display. I didn't like put it on testing rig first. It's speed 1, we're not gonna go to 2-1. One, my phone's gonna die. 2, there's 6 speed, so I'm not gonna stay on for too long. It's nothing too special. That was good. God damn it. Why does speed will go 4? Can I go 4? Sounds pretty nice. Being honest. Revive? we'll go C6. Ain't that 6? Thought about putting this in my bedroom, but I like to lose one. This no, it's where it both good, but only both down since this kind of blocks it, so don't both straight out. It's good for a wall showing and a small room. Both like underneath of it. No. We will come right out. After this, man, that much won't take that long. I know it should be bullshit. Fuck! The brush don't do that well. There it goes, for fuck's sake. So it turned on. Yeah, there it goes. Ow. Hurts because it's in reverse. I didn't know it was reversible. It's not reversed before. Big 2. Big 3. Big 4. Big 5, 6, 6. We'll burst it back. No, we're gonna burst it actually because the best goes. Wish you were closer. I'll have to store the gun. As the blades are just clear. The pit's spin out backwards. Pretty crystals. And it's very white. It's whiter than blue light. It's crazy. There's no tags on it, though inside. I'm gonna try to work for them. But I get those up there, hang on sometimes. It's really spring going around on my jiggles. But yeah, so I hope you're enjoying the video of this cool little fan hawk box. It's right here. There's really just a more into it looks like. Yeah, shit, let's get cleaned up. But yeah, I've been trying. Like, yeah, this time. Peace the fuck out.